In this video, I'm going to show you how long YouTube TV recordings last and what you need to know about managing your saved content. YouTube TV offers a generous cloud DVR storage system that retains your recordings for up to 9 months from the date they were recorded. This means you can save shows, movies, or sports events and access them anytime within this period without worrying about running out of space. However, once the 9-month limit is reached, the oldest recordings will automatically expire and be removed from your library to make room for new ones. It's important to note that if your YouTube TV subscription is canceled or paused, all your saved recordings will also be deleted immediately, as they are stored in the cloud and not locally on your device. To avoid losing important recordings, make sure to watch or download them before they expire. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how long YouTube TV recordings last, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.